I found out I had a pretty good case of avascular necrosis, which means the hip's blood supply was compromised and it wasn't getting any blood. And that caused hip problems, back problems, and several other health-related issues. So I finally got that proper diagnosis, and right on the ball and socket is where the avascular necrosis hit. So it was making it tough to walk, couldn't sit in one position for very long, didn't want to stand in one position for very long, and then we decided to go ahead and do the surgery. You know, I see a lot of doctors going through the TV station, and I asked several of them, look, here's a problem. Some of them, I told them the problem was mine, and some of them didn't know it was me, but they said, hey, if I had to have a hip replacement, I'd go to Mark Freeman, boom. Some of them knew it was my hip, some of them didn't. But probably 6 out of 8 or 9 said Mark Freeman, immediately without even thinking. Good enough for them, good enough for me. Dr. Freeman and his team were great, from the pre-op visits all the way through the post-op visits. It was just an incredible experience. You know, when you're having a big surgery like that, you're always a little tenuous, I guess, and all the worries were taken away. The whole Erlanger experience was top-notch. 10 minutes from the time I checked in to the time we were in pre-op. After that, I was home, literally home, 28 hours later. I mean, I feel like half of a whole new person. I really do. I mean, I didn't know how bad the hip pain was until I didn't have it anymore. Seriously, when you're having something like that done in a city the size of Chattanooga, you have your choice of doctors, you have your choice of hospitals. But when the time came for me to choose, I chose Erlanger.